Good morning, students. Yesterday I do the correction work of your notebooks. I found that you have made many mistakes. Generally, the student who have opted the basic math, till now they have don't idea of the basics of quadratic equation. It means they could not able to identify the particular value of ABC in a given equation. That's why they could not able to find the nature of the roots. And some students who have opted standard maths, they are unable to convert a condition in quadratic equation. Today we will discuss the same in this video. Students, I think that all these problems are related to CBSE board. I think that in future you will sure benefited and you will get a good marks if such type question will be asked in your board. So I think that without any delay you will repeat it and develop your confidence and you will do it within the time. Thank you.
Okay, students, one more problem which is frequently being asked in CBSE, but I found that maximum students could not able to convert it into the equation. You see, the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 10 by 3. Find the numbers. Let's suppose that let the number is x. You see, according to question ATQ, x plus 1 upon x, this is equal to 10 by 3. Now you can multiply this equation by x. You write here multiplying the equation by x. You will get x into x 1 upon x is equal to 10 by 3 into x. This is equal to x square plus x into 1 upon x. This is equal to 10 by 3x. You see, x and x, this will be cancelled. X square plus 1 is equal to 10 by 3x. Again you see, you can take LCM or again you multiply this equation by 3. You will get 3, you write here multiplying the equation by 3. You will get 3 into x square plus 1 is equal to 3 into 10x by 3. 3 is cancelled here by 3. This is equal to 3x square plus 3 is equal to 10x. Now you write 10x in left hand side. This is equal to 3x square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Now you can solve this equation by factorization method or using formula. You can split the middle term and find out the solution. This is equal to 3x square minus 9x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. You see, here take 3x common, x minus 9, x minus 3, again take here minus 1 common. This is again becomes x minus 3 equal to 0. Now x minus 3 is common factor, x minus 3 is common again. Here this is equal to 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Now equate these two factors equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to 3. Again 3x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 1 upon 3. So you see, you have to find the number. So the numbers are 3. The number is 3 because you have to find the number. Number means the whole number. This is equal to 3. This is the correct answer. Okay, correct answer.